Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to buy on Facebook Marketplace. So as you can see, we're on the home page of the Facebook app. There's two ways of getting to the marketplace. One is by clicking the bottom right hand corner where you see those three little lines, and then you will see marketplace on this menu right here. Or you can click at the bottom of the page where it has the little marketplace icon, as you can see there. Then you're on marketplace. Now search up whatever product you want. You can either click the top right hand corner, then search marketplace for a specific product, or you can just scroll through the marketplace and click on whatever item you want. You want to click on the picture of the item once you find it, and then you will see it says send a seller a message. You can go ahead and type in a custom message on here, or send this automated message where it says is this still available. Most people usually do that. Click send on that. Then you can click see conversation to maybe send further messages, or you can go inside your Facebook Messenger app on your phone and you can message back and forth like that, or go in here and do it as such. Then your conversation will look a little bit like this. So you'll say, is this still available? Then I'll say if it is or not, and then you'll ask where the pickup's from. Usually they'll give their address, and then you can negotiate a time. Then if they're okay with it, then it'll just say see you soon. Then basically you'll go to their address at that time, pick it up, and then you've brought the item. So that's the process. Leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the Facebook app. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.